Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Albrecht Autoland North, we have the 2017 Toyota Prius Prime. You might be laughing that I'm driving a Prius. You know what? I don't care. I've spent a good amount of time in a Prius. When I went to Jacksonville, Florida, I drove around in a purple Prius, which is kind of the oxymoron of a Prius. Or not an oxymoron, the epitome of a Prius is a purple Prius. But we're in power mode, and you know what? There is a good amount of, yeah, I know, bag plate. There's a good amount of demand for Prius, especially for around town cars. So I'm not gonna say, no, I'm not driving a Prius. They're unique, I will say, in their driving experience. Not fun in the traditional sense, but fun in different ways. One way it's really fun is trying to get the most out of the hybrid system, throwing this thing in eco mode or EV mode or whatever, and trying to be as economical as possible. Keeps you entertained for long journeys. B for braking mode. Now you'll notice this is a bit of a different route. There was a nasty accident, and to be honest, I'm not sure how the driver's doing, and I'm curious to learn as well as you are, but it shut down the on-ramp to the highway where I typically get on, so kind of improvising. And then there's some road work going on down here, so we're probably going to encounter a little holdup, but it is what it is. Overall, the Prius is a really good car if you don't look at it as a driver's car. I mean, you're gonna get some of the best fuel economy around. Economically, ergonomically, there's tons of space in here. It's actually pretty comfortable. Everybody hates the Prius because it's the exact opposite of an enthusiast car. But if you look at it from a standpoint of what's the general public going to want, this is a pretty good car. I feel like the car enthusiast community, car enthusiasts, we look at cars in different color lights based on what we want to see. But if we look at certain cars from different viewpoints, we'll see that there's actually some pretty good cars that we overlook. Oh yeah. Listen, it's not going to win any races. Like I said, I don't think we're looking at a Prius from that perspective. But it's decent enough acceleration that it's going to make do. And a matter of fact, around town, it's actually got decent pickup due to the electric motor. Now I think we'll go into how a Prius handles, because nobody's ever said that before. Taking this at our normal speed. We got eco-friendly tires. Hold on. That was way better than I expected it to. That was pretty impressive. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.